Hello everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible? Am I visible or not?
Yes.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
You cannot hear me?
What, sir?
Are you able to hear me? Are you able to see me, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
You can talk, but
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Panash, Vihan, Skanda.
Aditya hasn't come, sir.
Say again, Divya, Vihan.
I can say.
Okay. Chaitanya.
बोल
Hi, Chaitanya.
Hi, sir.
Hello, Divyam. Yes, everyone. Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Somebody was saying something. Panash was saying something?
No, no.
Divyam, how are you? Chaitanya, how are you? Vihan, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Sir.
So last week we done numbers and then we moved on finally to fractions. How many of you tried the whole homework? Good, Vihan. Good, Divyam. What about Skanda, Chaitanya and Panash? Panash, have you tried homework?
Yeah.
Very nice. So let's discuss any questions, any doubts, any confusion in the homework. Tell me everyone, any question from question number 6 to 10? Question number 6 to 10, anybody, any doubt? Ask me now. If not, we'll move on. No confusion? 6 to 10, no problem. What about 11 to 15? Any question, anyone 11 to 15? Any doubt? Any confusion? Any question? Is everyone able to solve all these questions, 11 to 15?
Yeah.
What about question number 16 to 20? Anybody, any doubt from 16 to 20? Ask me now. Are you able to do all this easily? Good. Then comes the fractions. 21 to 25. Easy. Is everyone able to do all correct?
Yep.
And then comes 26 to 30. Tell me how many of you done this 26 to 30 correctly? The addition subtraction. Panash, come on screen. Chaitanya, Divyam, Skanda, Vihan.
मैं क्या बोलूं?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes, please.
Is it, mandatory that he has to switch on his video? Or?
Actually, it's not mandatory, but it's always good. Means if there's some problem is there or some once in a while, it's okay. Generally, I don't mandate, but when I can see student is more easy to interact and the student will feel better. But
I understand, but is it fine if he keeps it off? I mean, he can interact verbally.
Fine, but not every class. Once in a while, suppose something is there, I can understand personal thing. So that's fine. But if everybody in every class puts off, then it looks like I am in the class. So you
No,
can
I am
switch it off
understanding,
now.
but,
No worries. It's
I'm
okay.
speaking from the privacy point of view. I mean, I'm not very comfortable with the video thing. I mean, audio is fine, but
See, first of all, that's why one more thing. I'll tell you two things about privacy. First thing is, all of my students' name and number, generally I don't form a group. So nobody really that's why I never form a group of WhatsApp group or somewhere where people can identify. Second thing is, the videos of this class also is only available to people who are joining this class. So don't worry about that. I'm not mandating it. You still can it off, but I'm suggesting it. It's better to quit out. Don't worry about privacy. There's nothing like.
No, it's, so what I'll do is let him try with the audio mode. If it doesn't work, then definitely. If he also complains, then we can switch on the video.
But if he's feeling shy, then I will want him to be on.
No,
I'll tell you
no,
why.
he's
Okay.
not feeling shy. It's
Perfect.
not a problem of shyness. It's just the video thing. I mean, we are not very comfortable with that. So let it try. If it doesn't work, then definitely we'll switch on the video. Yeah.
No worries. Sure.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. Have a
Thank you. So Vihan, Chaitanya, 26 to 30, everybody got it correct? Unmute Chaitanya, Divya. No question from 26 to 30. 31 to 40 were easy. Have you able to do it? Skanda? Yes. So tell me now. Yes, please.
I was not able to do all of it because I hadn't understood the division so good, but now I understand.
Okay. So no question?
Yeah.
Okay. And last set 41 to 45. Any question? Anyone? No. So are you saying that, guys, of all the questions, there is no single doubt anyone? I'm surprised. I'm happy, but surprised. Is everyone able to do all the questions correctly? Good. No, we are going to today more deep of fractions. Let's see how many if you can do it. Okay. More deep in fractions. But before we do more deep in fractions, first we'll learn the conversion of the fractions, which we'll use it today. Conversion means what? How we convert conversion of improper. No, first we'll do mixed fraction to improper fraction. Means how to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How to convert mixed to improper. So how will you do it? Tell me. Idea is very simple. Suppose I take a mixed fraction of 5.5. So first I'll explain, then you will tell me. 5.5. Vihan, it's a mixed fraction or not? It's a mixed fraction. Correct. So how will you do it? Chaitanya, how will you do it? Chaitanya wants to tell the method. What's the method you apply?
Sir, the method was applied was it is a big dash. We became a big dash. We wrote 2 in the under.
First you'll copy. Listen carefully, guys. First you write the denominator as it is. Okay, guys? First everyone copy the denominator as it is. Denominator is 2, copy 2. Correct, everybody? Then, very easy. I am showing with the red. Multiply the mixed with the denominator. What is 5 times 2? 10. You multiply the mixed number with denominator. 5 times 2 is 10. And then you add the 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Multiply and then add. Multiply and then add. That is the rule. Correct? We'll quickly do one question with each of you. Let's see how many can. We'll start with Vihan first. If you tell it correctly, I'll move on. Okay, Vihan, quickly tell everyone your understanding of how to multiply or how to convert mixed fraction 3.25 to improper. Tell the method to everyone.
Okay. So first we put the 4 as a denominator.
As it is, yes.
As it is, and then 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12.
And then
add 1, which is 13.
Correct. So the answer has to be
13 over 4.
13 over 4. Perfect. Next question is for Skanda. Skanda, if I give you 11 and 2 over 5, how will you convert this mixed fraction into improper? Skanda, unmute. Looks like Skanda got stuck. Chaitanya, how will you do it?
Sir, first we write the denominator in like 5 and multiply by 11, that is 55. Then we add 2, which is 57. So the answer is 57 upon 5.
Very nice. Divyam, next question is yours. Skanda, you were stuck when I asked you. I'll ask you later. First, tell me, Divyam, if your question is 10.5, how will you convert this into improper fraction, Divyam?
So first you bring the 2 down there.
Correct.
And then you multiply 10 times 2.
Which is 20.
That's 20. And then you add the 1, that's 21.
And the answer is?
21 over 2.
Perfect. Very right. Very right. Next. Tell me, Skanda, quickly.
Yeah, sir.
How will you do 100 and 1/3?
So first we'll add the denominator as 3
Yes.
and multiply 3 with 100, which is 300. So we'll get the answer as 301 by 3.
300 plus 1, 301 over 3. Very good. Tell me, Panache, how will you solve this question? Explain to all of us. 5 and 3/5.
You write the 5 as it is.
Correct. You copied.
Then you multiply 5 by 5. That's equal to 25.
Perfect.
And then 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. And the answer is 28 by 5.
Perfect. And let me see whether Ira is there on the class. He joined. Ira, are you there? I can see somebody joined with Ritu Goyal.
That's mine. My father doesn't know how to fix it again.
I will change it. Wait.
Okay.
It's Panache, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me next Panache. I done it for you, Panache. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. Is everyone perfectly clear about how to convert mixed fraction to improper? I am going to
Yeah.
ask you 2 questions. Everybody write answer on chat, and if you're good, we'll move on to improper to mixed. Okay? Everybody do in the chat. Convert 4.5 to improper. Write the answer on the chat, guys. Fast. Let's see how many you can do it correctly. Convert 4.5 to improper fraction. Very fast. Okay, Skanda. Okay, Divyam. Okay, Chaitanya. Good, good, good. Good, Panache. Good, Vihan. Everybody is correct. The answer is 9/2. Do one more thing. Tell me 9/3. What will be 9/3 in mixed fraction in improper? Try this one. 9 and 2/3. Okay, Vihan. Yes, Panache. Yes, Kanda. Chaitanya. So answer is Divyam. Divyam, it is 29 or 30? Check. Counting. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. Correct? 29/3. Is everyone good here? So I'll move on because we want to do the difficult questions more. Know how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. It's a reverse process. Suppose if I say 11/2, it's improper fraction, everybody knows.
Mhm.
So how to convert this into mixed fraction, guys? Let's see. I'll explain. Wait, I'll explain. How to convert this into mixed fraction. First, put a line. Again, copy denominator as denominator. Okay? Denominator will always be same, right, Divyam? Now, you make a table of 2 till you get 5, 2 you get 11 or less. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6. So, where you get 11? 2 times 5 is 10, right?
Mhm.
Means you divide 11 with 2. How much you get when you divide 11 with 2? You divide 11 with 2, you get 5, right, as a quotient? So you got 10 here. How much extra we need or how much is difference? This will subtract. So when you convert, you divide 11 by 2, you get 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, you get 1. 1 is the extra. Shall I explain again? Skanda, it was not 30/3 last one, no. So I'll explain the method again. First, 11 over 2. You have to make a table of 2, right, Vihan? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. The whole number is 5. Why? Because 2 times 5 is 10. We need only 11. We don't need more than that. If you do 2 times 6, it becomes 12, which is not good. We need only 11. So how much we got? We got 10, right? Right, 10 here. How much is 11 minus 10? 1. Denominator will always be copied. Yes, Divyam, you want to ask something? Tell me, Divyam.
But like,
Yes, please. You are dividing 11 with 2 till you get the biggest number possible. So it's like we have to do the table of the denominator, Divyam. Okay, I'll explain one more example. Okay, Divyam? You can ask me then. Suppose we have to convert, say 9 over 2. First of all, you make a table of 2. You make a table of 2 till you get 9 or lesser than 9. Open your finger. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Why you step at 4 only?
because if you go higher, it would go above.
Hello.
Exactly. So you'll go only up to a 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8. But we wanted 9. So how much is difference? Subtract 9 minus 8. Denominator will always be copied. Always. That's it. Cool. First we start with Vihan, then Skanda, then Chaitanya. Okay? And
Yeah.
then Divyam. So Vihan, explain in your way how will you solve 11 over 3.
Okay, first I would find the threes table to the closest.
3 times
3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12.
So you will
then
not go up to 12. Correct.
so it would be 3.
3
So
times 3 is
then
9. Just write 9 for your help. Okay, for just for your reference. Okay.
yeah, and then that would be 2.
11 minus 9 is 2. And
The denominator that's copied.
very good. Okay. Next, Skanda. Skanda, explain to everybody because we want everyone to be super solid. Skanda, how will you do 14 over 3?
For the closest number, that is 3 4s are 12.
3 times 4 is 12. So, correct?
So that's breaking. Yep,
I know you are breaking.
So we get it as 4 2 by 3.
4 2 by 3. You divide it, then subtract. Good. Chaitanya, how will you do this? 18 divide with 5.
So first we do the write denominator.
Write denominator if you want, write first. Okay.
Okay, so we do the 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and the 5 4 is 20. So not the 5 3s are 15, and the answer is 3.
Sorry, so final answer is 3 and 3 by 5. Good.
Sir,
Yes,
it
please.
is also a formula Q upon QR upon D.
Correct.
And
Right.
and we also multiply a Celsius multiply by 9 by 2 plus 32. It can be changed as Fahrenheit.
Right. It's an example of this. Divyam, how will you do 21 over 5?
So first you have to do the 5 times table,
Yes.
and 5 times 4 is 20. So
5 times 4 is 20.
So you write the 4 and then the 20, and then you would write 1 on top and 5 at the bottom.
The answer is 4 and 1/5, correct? Yes. And Panash, tell everyone how will we do, let's say 47 divided by 11. Panash.
You copy the denominator, that's
Done.
11. Then you see till how much is the biggest number under 47 in the
Correct.
table of 11, that's 44.
44.
So you write
Comes
44.
as 11
And
times 4 is 40.
and then you measure the distance in between 44 and 47, that's 3. So 4 by 30, 3 by
4,
11.
3 by 11. 4, 3 by 11. Correct?
4, 3 by 11.
Perfect. Is everyone perfectly okay on doing conversion of improper to mixed? So let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see how many of you can do it correctly. Convert 10 over 10 over 10 over 10 over 3. Everybody write the answer on the chat. You can write in the chat something, then space and then the fraction, okay? Fast. We'll do quickly 3 questions, then we're going to use it this all. How to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Right, everyone? Skanda, Chaitanya, everyone. You can write like this. You know what? 3 and 1 over. You can write, or you can put some space and you can like this. It is not 9 1 over 3, guys. Panash, no Divya. 10 divided by 3. You are going to table of 3. Rise, guys.
Oh.
3 times 3 is 9, not 3 times 9. It is 3 1/3. Okay, next question, no problem. I know some people, even I didn't get answer from many of you. Let's try again. Tell me 16 over 3. Tell me everyone the answer now. Take your time. I want to check how many of you do it correctly. (16) divided by 3, please, now. Okay, Divyam. Very good, Divyam. Vihan, is it 3 and 1 by 3? 16 divided by 3 is the question now. 5 and 1 by 3. Skanda, okay. Chaitanya, okay. Panash, your answer. Vihan, correct. Panash, your answer. Answer is 5 and 1/3. Next. How we do 21 over 4? Try. I want to check how many of you are clear on this. 21 over 4. 21 over 4 is how much? How you convert a 21 over 4? Okay. 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 What happened, Skanda? Is it 4 over? Guys, what you are doing? 21 over 4. Lot of people are wrong. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Guys, what happened? Agree? It is 5 1/4. lot of people are saying 4/4. It is 5/4. Later you corrected it. Okay. How much is 100 over 11? Let's see who does it correctly. $100 over 11. Good, Panash. Vihan, good. Skanda, I know you know it, but. It is. Yes, Chaitanya, good. Yes, Divyam. Is it 11 or 111? Divyam, it's a big number. Okay. By mistake, you typed 111. 9 and 1/11. Correct. How we do 47 over 10? Try everybody 47 over 10. Skanda, that was correct. Good. This is the last question on this. Then we are going to do the questions solving. Panash says this. Vihan says this. Divyam says this. Okay. All of you are correct. Chaitanya, denominator will be 20.
47 by 20.
Is it? Or is
Sir.
it 4 of 7 by 10, Chaitanya? By mistake, I know.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I write 10 in the notebook, but I
And you know, Skanda also wrote, Skanda, why 20? Tell me, Skanda. Skanda is doing, always write something wrong when he is fast. But he knows it. It is 10. Correct, Skanda. Is everyone good here in terms of just show me this? If you are good with both the conversion. Tell me. If you are good, show me this. Yes, you are all good. And then we are going to... God bless you guys. God bless you, Divyam. So now we are going to learn simplification. Simplification of fraction. Because we are going to use this. All this into, we are going to use in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all this. Okay. Simplification means write in smallest form. It means write in smallest form. Okay. Mute. Yes, please. How? Suppose if I say 15 over 10. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the easy method. Okay, guys. I'm not telling you dividing method. I'm telling you the factor method. So let's see. 15. How we write 15, Vihan? We can say 15 means 5 times 3, right? How we write 10? Chaitanya. 10 means we can say 5 times 2. So we're writing factors. Factor 15, 5 and 3. 5 times 3. 10, 5 times 2. So now when you see same number, you can cancel it. You will say the answer is 3 over 2. So this one is simplified to 3 over 2. You write in multi factors and then cross out the same factor. This is the easiest way to do. Let me tell you another one. If I tell you the question is, if the question is 24 over 16, first, how you write 24, Vihan? Tell me anything. You're on mute.
6 times 4.
6 times 4 is 24. Tell me, Skanda, how you write 16?
What, sir?
How you can factor 16?
I didn't hear it, sir. Can you repeat again?
You can say 16 like 4 times 4. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now, tell me, Divyam, how you factor 6 again? Can you write 6 as 2
Pardon?
times 3? So we write 6 as 2 times 3. How you write 4 again? Chaitanya, can you factor 4 again? 4 means what? 2
Sir,
times 2?
sir, 4 multiplied by 6.
Not, we are not multiplying. I am saying, suppose 4 is there. How you can write 4 in the smaller numbers? 4 means what? 2 times is 4, right? 2 times 2.
Yes, sir.
So instead of 4, I am writing 2 times 2. Instead of this 4 also, I am writing 2 times 2. Instead of this 4 also, write 2 times 2. You are writing the number into smaller numbers, right, Vihan? TVM? You are writing every big number into smaller form. Now we will start the cancellation process. You cancel one number from top, one from bottom. Same number. 2, 2 cancelled. 2, 2 cancelled. 2, 2 cancelled. What is remaining on the top? 3. What is remaining on the bottom? 2. That is the answer. So how we are doing is, we are writing factors and then cancelling out the same number. Cool? Understood, Divyan? Vihan, Chaitanya, Panash,
Yeah.
and Skanda. So tell me now. Tell me, we'll start with Vihan. If I say simplify 21 by 14, what will Vihan do first step? How you can write 21 into smaller numbers?
21 is also 7 multiplied by 3.
Very good. How you write 14?
7 multiplied by 2.
Perfect. So what he has done is he wrote the number into smaller number. Now, which number you can cancel? You can always cancel the number from top and bottom, the same number.
Yeah. So then you cancel those two.
You can always cancel always the equal number, but only from top and bottom. Not top and not bottom. What's the final answer?
3 over 2.
Perfect.
Or if we do multiplication, 2 over 3.
You also can. You can say 3 over 2, but you have to do 3 over 2. You cannot say 2 over 3, right? It's a 3 over 2. Chaitanya,
Yes.
if I say 25 by 20, what's the method to simplify this?
Sir, it is an easy method. 5 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 4.
You are correct. So first, he has done the factors. You write the big number into smaller number. Now it's time to cancel it out. Which number you will cancel?
Sir, 5 by 5.
So what is remaining?
5 by 4. But I have a question, sir.
Yes, please.
If if 5 can cancel, लेकिन the answer, लेकिन cancellation in that case the cancellation is 1. So it can be 5 upon 4.
But when you see, I am cancelling same number with same number. Even if there is 1, what is 1 times 5? 5.
5.
Correct? We are going to do all those very deep, okay? Thank you.
Sure.
Divyam, if I say 30 divided by 18, what's the method? How will you first factor out 30? You can write 30 as what? 6 times 5, 10 times 3, so many different ways. You tell me your way.
5 times 6.
Very good. How you factor out 18?
2 times 9.
Perfect. Now, can you factor out 6 more or not? Yes. Think about. Can you write 6 as what? Think. How can you factor out 6? Can you say 6 as 2 times 3 or not? Think about, Divyam. Can you write, instead of 6, can you write 2 times 3 or not? We can. We have to always get the smallest number. How can you factor out 9, Divyam?
9 times 1.
So that is same. We want to make smaller. 3 times 3. Correct? So you write 3 times 3. Because number has to become smaller. So you factored out. Now it's time to cancel. Tell me what will you cancel from top and bottom?
The
2 with 2. 3 with 3.
3.
What is remaining on the top?
5, 3.
So answer is 5 over 3. Agree? Understood, Divyam, everyone? Panache. If I say 40 over 25, how will you do, Panache?
I will break down the 40 into 5 by, no, I mean
5
10 by 4.
times 8. 10 by 4 also.
5 times 8.
Guys, always your choice, guys. 10 by 4. How you break up
And
25?
25, 5 by 5.
Correct? Can you break 10 more or not?
Yes, you can.
Break the
this
10.
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
2.
Can you break 4 more or not?
2 by 2.
2 by 2. Guys, always break the smallest possible. Very good, Panache. So which number can cancel out from top and bottom?
5 and 5.
1 5 with 1 5. What is remaining on the
And
top?
rest is 3 2s and the bottom 1 5.
So you write 5 as it is. 3 2 means you multiply all of them, right?
Hmm?
You multiply all of them in the top now. 8.
8.
Panache, whatever remaining in the top, everyone, just multiply all the remaining numbers. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. In the bottom only 5, so 8 by 5. Correct, Panache?
Yeah.
Everybody is good. Skanda, are you ready for your question? Skanda,
Yes, sir.
you are ready?
I was having a bit of internet break, sir.
I know. How you 24 over 21. Tell me how you break up.
20 plus 4 by 20 plus 1.
How you break up 24?
20 plus 4, sir.
Array, are you doing plus? We are always doing multiply. Can you? We are not breaking with plus or minus. We are breaking with
Sir.
multiplication.
Yeah.
24 means what? Can we say 8 times 3?
Yes, sir. 8 times 3, sir.
And 21?
7 into 3.
No, what you cancel?
3, sir.
The answer is
8 into 7, sir.
not 8 into 7, 8 by 7.
8 divided by 7, sir. Okay.
Who is the number on the top? 8.
8, sir.
Then division by, then 7.
Yep, sir.
Is everyone cool here? Where is Chaitanya gone? Right, Chaitanya, Panache? So everybody write the answer on chat. Simplify 50 over 15. Tell me the answer, everybody on the chat. Simplify 50 over 15. Over 15, how will you simplify? Okay, Divyam. Divyam is fast this time. Divyam is the first person to do it. Chaitanya second. Good. Yes, Kanda. Everyone should try. We got 2 people answers. Divyam and Chaitanya only. We got Panache answer. Okay. Where is Vihan? Where is Skanda? Skanda, we got it. Vihan, your answer. I know Vihan knows it. You can ask me any confusion.
I don't have any confusion. It's just because the number is bigger.
We'll do it together. How you write 50? Tell me. How How you break up 15 your own way? Tell me, your own way. You are on mute.
5 times 10.
Correct. How you write 15?
3 times 5.
Which number you can cancel? See, the cancellation rule is you can cancel always the same number. You cannot cancel different number.
Yeah.
5
So
with
it's
5. What is remaining now?
10 over 3.
That's it. Okay. Chalo, next one, guys. Let's see who does it correctly. Not fast, but correctly. Let's see. Let's see who does it correctly. Tell me the answer quickly, guys. 30 over 12. 30 over 12. How will you simplify? Take your time, everyone, and do it. $30 over 12. Okay. 15 over 6, 15 over 2, 5 over 2, 5 over 4. You know, there are 4 different answers people have given. Yes. You know, guys, all of very different answers. Let's see now. Let's see. 30. How you write 30, guys? 10 times 3, right? Everybody agree? Yes, Vihan.
I wrote 15 times 2 because it was the first thing that came into my mind.
Let's do 15 times 2. Now, can you break 15 more or not, Vihan? You can. Think, Vihan, you can. How you break 15, Vihan? How you break Chaitanya? 15. 3 times 5. 12. How you break 12, Chaitanya?
Sir, by 2 multiply by 6.
And how you break 6 again?
2 multiply by
3.
3.
So this is the break. Now tell Divyam what all you will cancel from here, Divyam.
The 2,
You cancel 2 with 2. What else you can cancel?
3 and 3,
What is remaining on the top?
5 and 2.
The answer is 5 over 2, guys. A lot of you have different answers, you know. A lot of different answers everybody has. So let's try next one. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. The
Yes.
answer can be proper and improper.
That is your choice. You write 5 over 2 or you write 2.5. You can always convert, right? Later.
Okay. Sir.
That you know now. Okay, everybody. So let's try one more. Simplify 40 over 16. Let's see who does it correct. Who does it correct? Panash, Vihan, Skanda, everyone should try. And after this question, we are going to do some questions based on these 2 things. $40 over 16. How you simplify the fraction? 10 over 4. Can you simplify more? Chaitanya, 10 over 4 is good. Can you simplify it more?
Yes, sir.
Try. Panash, what's the answer? First, we are going to how you write 40? 10 times 4? Can we Write 10 as 5 times 2. Can I write 4 again 2 times 2? So done. How you write 16? 4 times 4? How you write 4? 2 times 2? How you again write 4? 2 times 2? And now start the cancellation. So much cancellation we can do here. 2 with 2. 2 with 2. 2 with 2. The only remaining numbers are 5 over 2. That's the final answer. 5 over 2. That's it. 10 over 4 is good, but 5 over 2 is better. Okay? You have to simplify it. So now if I ask you, let's see how, this is a difficult question, okay? Let's do difficult multiplication. I told you multiplication rule, right? But if I tell you 3.5 multiply with 4.5, what do you think? How will you do it? 3.5 times 4.5. Yes, Divyam, how will you do it? Unmute.
So first you would do cross multiplication.
No. No. Chaitanya, how will you do it?
Sir, sir, you told in the first. Sir, you told in the first in the class, like we convert.
First, we should convert into improper fraction.
Proper fraction.
You cannot multiply, add, subtract the mixed fraction, guys. Never. Okay, Divyam? First, we have to convert. So, when you convert 3.5, how much you will get, guys? Skanda, 3.5 converted to improper is how much, Skanda? Skanda is stuck. Vihan, how much is 3.5?
7 over 2.
7 over 2. Skanda, if you convert 4.5, how much will be it in improper fraction?
So it will be denominator will be 2 and it will be 9 by 2. So 9 by 2.
9 over 2. Now tell me, Divyam, no, you know how to multiply, you know now. It is not cross multiplication, it is a direct multiplication. You multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So tell me now, Panash, how will you do this fraction multiplication? Is Panash there?
Yeah,
Yes, Panash.
you will do 7 multiplied by 9, that's equal
Yes.
to 63. And you will do 2 by 2 is just equal to 4, so 63 by 4.
Correct, guys? And when you convert this 4 into 15, 60, that's it. So don't never try to multiply the fraction directly if they are in mixed. Again, got everybody? Skanda, Chaitanya, Vihan. First convert and then multiply. Okay? So let's see. Mute, please. Multiply 1.5. Everybody do on the chat and tell me the answer. Multiply 1.5 times 5 1/3. Let's see who does it correct. 1.5 multiply with 5 1/3. Yes, Divyam.
How do you make it improper again?
We learned today, right? We copy denominator as it is. Suppose you have to convert 1.5. Right, Divyam? First you copy the denominator, correct? Then you multiply the mixed number with 2. What is 2 times 1?
2.
And then you add this. Remember, see the notes? You noted down the today's notes or not?
3.
So, this becomes 3 over 2. Agree? Tell me, Divyam, what will be the next fraction after you convert?
3. 3
3 the denominator copied. Then
times 5 15 plus 1 16.
so are you correct now? This is the conversion. Are you clear about conversion, right, Divyam? Divyam, you write down the notebook, your method, you will not forget, okay? So now the answer is what? The answer will be what? Can we also simplify this, guys, or not? Guys, can we simplify this or not?
Sir, we can.
We can. So how we simplify, guys? 3 and 3 cancelled, right? It becomes 16 over 2. What is 16 over 2 is?
Sir, 8.
That's it. Can you believe the answer is 8? It is such a simple answer after doing so much. 48 by 6 is correct, Panash, but 48 by 6 is 8. Right, Chaitanya? 48 by 6 is 8. You have to simplify also. So answer is just 8. Right, Vihan?
I got 32.
How?
Am I?
Oh, you multiply
I-
16 and 2? No. 16 by 2, right? 16 over 2. It is not 16 times 2. You times it, right?
No, first I converted the mixed fractions into improper fractions.
So how
Then
much you got for this one? Tell me how much you got for this one.
32 by 6.
No, 3 over 2.
Yeah, 3 over 2.
Then how much you got this?
8 over 3.
Not 8 over. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1,
Oh.
16. That's the mistake.
Oh, I forgot that you were supposed to multiply the whole, not the...
You have to multiply the whole number, okay? Let's try one more, okay? Let's see who does it right this time. What is 10 and half times 2? Can you tell me the answer, guys? Let's see who does it. Who does it correctly? Let's see. Ten and a half times 2. Ten and a half times 2. Okay. Vihan, 42 by 2 is good. Can you simplify more? 42 by 2. So what is 10 and a half conversion, guys? This or not? Vihan, 21 by 2, right? Times 2. Now, you really multiply, you can cancel it out possible. Cannot you cancel this and this and this? Oh, sir, yes, right. That is why we learn simplification, right? Simplification we learn because we want to make it simple. So your answer 42 by 2 is correct. 21 is better because you simplify. You can always cancel number on top and number on bottom, right, everyone? That's it. Cool, everyone? Good. Panash, Chaitanya, Divyam, got it? If I say 5 multiply with 'can everybody try this? 5 times 3 and 1/3. 5 times 3 and 1/3. 5 times 3 and 1/3. Okay, Chaitanya, good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Chaitanya.
It cannot be simplified, no?
You cannot, because when you make factor of 50, you will not get cancelled with 3. Correct.
Mm.
So we'll say 5 times. What is 3 1/3 means? Yes, Divyam. You're on mute. Guys, you have to always check.
3 1/3 means
10 over 3, right?
yeah.
And now you multiply. Agree? Is everyone understood how to multiply the mixed fractions? Similarly, if I say 4.5 divided by 2.5, let's see who does it correctly. 4.5 divided by 2.5. Don't do directly. First, you will convert. Try everyone. First, you have to convert, right, Panash? You have to first convert this into improper. 4.5 divided by 2.5.
Yeah.
Try everyone. Four and a half divided by 2.5. Everyone will tell one step. First, Vihan, 4.5, when you convert, how much you get?
9 over 2.
9 over 2. Panash, when you convert 2.5, how much you get?
You get
2.5, when you convert, how much you get?
2 by 5. 5 by 2.
5 over 2. So your question becomes this now, guys. Now, anybody remembers the rule of division? Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir, reciprocate.
Reciprocal which number? 9 by 2 or 5 by 2?
5 by 2.
Because you reciprocal the number after division sign. So Chaitanya, after we reciprocate 5 by 2 to 2 by 5, what you should do?
First, we, in the rule of multiply, first we multiply by denominator, which answer is 18, and in denominator, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10.
10. Or you are right. Or we learned simplification today. First you cancel 2 and 2. That is also possible because we can simplify. Answer is 9 over 5. That's it. Cool, everyone. Will everyone try one question now if I give you?
Yeah.
I want everyone to do this. 3.5 divided by 2.25. Let's see how many of us does it correctly. And I want to answer in the simplest form. Take your time, everybody, okay? But try to do it correctly, please. First convert, then divide, and then simplify, then give the answer. Take your time. Do in the notebook, okay, Divyam? 3.5 divided by 2.14.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, we have to simplify only one number or both number?
Obviously, simplification happen with both. It cannot happen with single, right?
Okay, sir.
Let's see anybody got it or not. So I'll do step by step. Divyam, what is the conversion of 3.5?
So the conversion of 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2
It's called
is
3.5.
1, 3.5 is 7 and 2.
7 over 2.
And the
What is the conversion of 2.25?
The conversion of 2.25 is 8. It's 9 over 4.
Thank you. Vihan, after we do this, what's the next step, Vihan? After we convert, what's the next step, Vihan?
We do reciprocal
Which number?
with 4, 9, and 4.
Correct. And division becomes multiplication. What we do, Panash, next? So Panash, we have done the reciprocal. What's the next step?
Then we have to
We'll try to simplify.
the.
So instead of 4, can I write 2 times 2? Right, everyone? I am trying to simplify it. So I'll write 2 times 2. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. What is remaining on the top? 7 times 2. What is remaining on the bottom? 9.
Mhm.
Final
Mhm.
answer has to be 14 over 9. Tell me how many you got 14 over 9? You may would have got 28 over 18, correct? Vihan, and then you can simplify. Yes, Panash, got it right?
Yeah.
14 over 9. So guys, believe me, lot of kids do this mistake of mixed fraction multiplication division. Lot of kids. It's always convert and do. Addition subtraction also is better. You convert and then do it. Cool? If I say 2.5 plus 3 1/3, how will you solve? This is the addition question. How will you do it? Who will tell me? Yes, Vihan. First Vihan raised, then Chaitanya raised, then Divyam raised. Yes, Vihan.
Okay, so first you would convert 2.5. So you first copy the denominator, and then you would multiply 2 by 2, which is 4, and then add 1. And then you would copy the denominator, and you would multiply 3 by 3, and then you would add 1, which is 10.
So we always done the conversion. Now you know the how the addition rule, right? How you add?
Okay.
Tell me.
So first you multiply 5 by 3, which is 15. And then you multiply 2 by 10, which is 20.
Cross
So
multiply, correct? Good.
yeah, and then you would multiply the denominators, which is
Very good,
6.
Vihan. You remember the method I told you. Very
And then
good.
it's 35 over 6.
Very nice. Got everybody? Same rule which learn addition. Only thing is you have to convert first, okay? So I will give you one question to all of you. Let's try. Let's see who does it correct. 1 1/3 plus 2 and tell me the answer. Everybody try and tell me the answer. Let's see who does it correct. 1 1/3 plus 2 1/4 is what? Try everybody and notebook and tell me the answer on chat. The last question of the day. 1 1/3 plus 2 1/4. How will you do this? Okay, let's see. Okay, Vihan. I think your dot means slash, right, Vihan? Okay. So, Chaitanya, first tell me 1 1/3 is how much? You're on mute. Panash, what is 1 1/3 means? Guys, you are on mute, all of you. 1 1/3 conversion is how much? Chaitanya.
1/3 conversion is
Sir, 4/3.
Who is telling me? Panash or Chaitanya?
Sir, Chaitanya.
Yes, Chaitanya. How much it is? 1 1/3 in
Sir, 4/3.
4 upon. Tell me, Panash, how much is 2 1/4 in conversion? Two 1/4 is how much, Panash? Looks like
2 1/4 is 9/4.
9/4. Now, how will we add this? Who will tell me, Divyam?
So you multiply 4 times 9.
No, it's a plus in between. It's a plus in between. It's not multiplication. It's an addition question.
Then you add 4 with 9.
No.
4,
Remember
4 with
when we do, how we do cross? 4 times 4. Remember the first class, just last week class? Fraction addition, you do crisscross. 4 times 4 is 16. 9 times 3 is 27. Correct? Remember yesterday, just go look back at yesterday's last class now. You do crisscross. When you're adding fraction, crisscross. Denominator you multiply as it is. Right? You're adding fraction, do a crisscross, and the denominator multiply the denominator. How much we got? 12 in the bottom. 27 plus 16. 43/12. Now tell me how many of you got 43/12? Vihan got it. And before that, who got it? Chaitanya got it. And Panash got it. 43/12. Understood, Divyam, or not? See, the last class we learned this crisscross. Answer is 43/12. Or if you want to convert into mix, 12, 3, 36. 7, 12. That is the final. 3 is 7/12 or 43/12. Both are true.
Oh.
Yes? Cool, everyone? Any question before we close?
No.
Next class, we are going to start tomorrow. Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir, we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius.
Right. We can convert all of this. Yes, I know, Chaitanya. Yes,
But
that's
I know
nice.
the formula of
2 by 9.
into Fahrenheit.
F minus 32.
Sir, my teacher told 9/2 plus 32.
Correct. It's a reverse way. Okay. So tomorrow, thank you, Chaitanya. Tomorrow we are going to start with decimal numbers. Okay. Come prepare.
Okay.
Decimal numbers we are going to learn. Okay. And then
Okay.
we'll do division of fraction and
Decimal.
both the decimals. Yes, please. So that's all. Tell me,
Yeah.
Vihan.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
All-
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
See you
Sir, I
tomorrow.
know decimals.
Bye.
Bye, sir.